landed a oversized green sturgeon and it's time to release it. Let's go. Get out of here. Get out. Get out of here. Oh, it's gone.
Okay.
There it goes.
You are watching JU Nation Fishing.
Good morning, family and friends. This is JU. Today, I'll be targeting sturgeon from the banks in the Sacramento River for the very first time with my brother TC of Connected Fishing. So first thing we got to do is go get some bait. So I'm over here at Reggie's Tackle Shack. Gonna buy a dozen of ghost shrimp. I understand that it's a little bit different from the boat. We don't use grass shrimp this time. We're gonna be using ghost shrimp. So follow along and see how we do, guys. Here we go. So family and friends, I went to Reggie this morning. They didn't have any ghost shrimp, a live one anyways, but they do have dead one. So if you're interested in dead one, you can get it there. But across the street is Romeo's Bait Shop. I typically go get my live minnow here when I'm bass fishing with Grandmaster Fisherman. So I'm going to check over here to see if they got any ghost shrimp. I'll be right back. It's going to be a different kind of fishing today, guys. But I think we're ready. I got that wood right there. We might do a catch and cook for you guys. So follow along and see how we do. We struck out on the ghost shrimp today. But I got some eel, lamprey eel, and dead grass shrimp. We'll see how we do. Here are gears right here. All right, fella, here's my setup for split tail. I got a 4-ounce sinker right here, and a very small hook. Mosquito hook like a size 4 or 6. And there's TC's favorite bait right there. Just plain old backyard worm. Today, there's a man himself right there.
Backyard worms. Catch everything.
All right. And this gentleman right here has already been here for an hour. And he's targeting sturgeon. I'm targeting anything that moves. If you're going to go on my line, you can get barbecue. Hopefully we'll get a catch and cook show going on. Very beautiful location right here. Reminds me very much of the oak tree down in Walnut Grove, guys. So sit back, relax, and see how we do.
I got a size 8.
This is size 8. This is 8 aught. Check this out, guys. 12-foot pole, guys. I tried to cast it. I only got like 10 feet out, so I'm going to ask this guy to cast it out for me. Wow! Oh, man, that's like half of the river right there. Here you go, guys. This is a homemade bell for sturgeon fishing. I can't wait for it to go off. Check it out. There you go.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Oh, no, nothing's on. Dang, missed it.
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish
Yeah. All right, let's see.
I told you, just in case doesn't hit, you didn't get it.
Oh, you missed it?
Yeah.
Fish on, fish on,
There it is.
fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
It's on. There you go.
Oh, thank you,
First
Father.
fish of today. Here you go.
Oh, Father.
Sit on there. So I go down and get him.
This guy's a pro, man. I don't know. Right here,
Hey, check this out, family. Our first fish of the day. Barely got him. Bam. Shoot, man. Oh, it came off. It came off. Okay, it's all good now. Check it out. There it is. Split tail. It's gonna be brunch. Check it out, guys. Oh,
Fish on,
a second fish of the day, guys. There you go.
fish on, fish on, fish on.
Tsee Hammah, bam! Tsee Hammah, bam!
Fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on, fish on.
Let's see if I get it or not. Oh, I think I might got something, man. Yeah, I think I got something, dude. Whoa! Yeah. Oh, it's a baby one. You're right. Oh man, gotta leave it to the master to know what's up. Oh, it's a baby one. It's a bait. It's a bait. What the heck? It's a
Tsee
trout.
Hammah, bam!
Whoa!
Tsee Hammah, bam!
Oh man! Look at this, guys. I got a baby trout. Hey family, I didn't get skunk, all right?
Fish on,
They don't make a sound or nothing, huh?
fish on, fish on.
Trout again, yeah.
Trout again?
We're ready to cook.
Oh, bigger trout. Look at that. Oh, nice. Yeah, and it's cooked fin too. So that means they planted it. They just planted
Tsee
it.
Hammah, bam!
They
Tsee Hammah,
They just planted it.
bam!
All right, folks. I'm very blessed to be out here again with my brother TC of Connected Fishing. Check out what we got here. Look at that.
Rainbow trout, split tail, and a catfish.
Man, this looks delicious. Look at that, guys. Catch and cook for you guys. Woo! Check it out, guys. Beautiful day here in the Sacramento River. Oh, man, look at all the spices on that thing. Woo, man, look, that looks delicious. Check it out, guys. There you go. Is that good or what? All you see left is the bone. Especially that trout. We really devoured that one. That was a good, tasty one. All right, check out how beautiful this river is, guys. Got the whole river to ourselves. The go-to bait so far has been an earthworm from the backyard.
I want to dig up.
And we didn't get any live ghost shrimp this morning, so that's been our go-to bait so far all day long. Rainbow trout, split tail, we got them all. So hey, family and friends, this is JU. I'm gonna call it a day. We've been fishing here for about 8 o'clock. Now it's about 3 o'clock. We're targeting for sturgeon, and split tail. We got split tail. We got trout. We did a cook, catch and cook out here with my brother TC Connected Fishing. Once again, I think he's real close to 5,000 subscribers, guys. So if you're watching my station and you haven't gone to visit Connected Fishing and you haven't subscribed to him, please go to his site, give him a subscribe so that he can get to 5,000, hopefully by the end of the week or by the end of today, all right? Thank you very much, guys. I know there's a lot of good fishing videos out there, and you guys come check out my channel. I do appreciate that very much. Till the next time, family. Peace out. Woo! Bam!
Want to do a weekend?
Hey, what's up, family? This is hilarious. I'm trying to do an outro, and the rod went off. TC set the hook, and I got to reel this baby in.
Oh man.
What a trip.
Yeah.